Hi guys, I am Akansha Sahgal and welcome back to day 2 of Vlogmas 2020. So today is 28th of November and it's 12:30 p.m. right now, and I have been attending my online classes since morning, and now I'll be hopping on to my YouTube studio and replying to all the comments as the day 1 video is live obviously, and I have been receiving a lot of notifications related to the comments to on the videos, and I'll be replying to that first. I am so happy with the response on my Vlogmas series, and it's really amazing how you guys are so supportive, and you all have been so supportive since day 1, and all the people who are joining me in this journey. It really means a lot to me, and I am really very thankful that you guys have been supporting me throughout this journey of mine. And all these comments really made my day. It really made my day, and it really pushes me to come up with more content for you guys and keep myself consistent with all my videos. I am done replying to all the sweet comments that you guys made on my previous videos, and also those of you who are seeing this video the first time and have not seen my Vlogmas day 1 video, I have a giveaway going on my channel which will run through the Vlogmas period. So if you want to know the details about that, hop on to the day 1 and you'll find all the details related to that. In short, you just have to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, and stay consistent and active throughout my Vlogmas videos, and you'll stand a chance to win an A4 size photo frame specially customized for you. And this is open for Indian residents, but I might plan something as an international giveaway as well, so I'll update you guys about that as well. And now I'll be working on my blog post that has to go live tonight at 9:30 p.m. IST. So I'll be working on that first, and I'll show you guys a brief on how I plan my blog posts. And after that, I have my Christmas special DIY, which is DIY face mask, not the beauty masks but the protective face masks. And it's the time of Christmas, we can have fun masks for ourselves, and I thought why not make I have two ideas in my mind, so we'll make those fun ideas, and you can obviously have those masks during this Christmas time. But yeah, first let's hop on to working on the blog post. So I am done with my rough draft of the blog post, and now I'll be copy pasting this to my WordPress account and then doing the final detailing there. So yeah, basically I just do a rough draft on my Word document first, and then I go and do all the final editing, attach pictures, videos and stuff like that in my final draft on my WordPress studio only. So the final draft is ready, and I have scheduled it, and it will go live on 9:30 p.m. IST. And by the time you are watching this video, this blog is live on my blog. You can go check that out. The link is given below in the description box. So go check out the blog, and make sure you're commenting on the blog if you have any ideas on which you want me to discuss in my upcoming blogs. I would love to hear your ideas. And yeah, so I have my masks here with me, and I'll show you guys 2 different ideas on how you can make your boring simple masks into some Christmassy masks, and these can be really fun for kids as well. So yeah, let's just begin with the first one. So I had this piece of felt with me, and I have made the top of the Christmas tree here, and I'll just cut this out quickly. So So this will work as our stencil for the mask. So we have our Christmas tree cut out, and now I am going to grab my paintbrush and green paint and simply use this Christmas tree as my stencil or stamp, you can say, and work with this on my mask. I'll use a good amount of fabric paint here, green color fabric paint. And these masks can be really fun ideas for your kids. They would definitely love these. You can also include your kids in this fun activity and then just go ahead and stamp it onto the mask like so. And you'll get your Christmas tree here. Now I'll keep it aside to dry, and after that I'll add some detailings with my brown paint to make the stem and some other detailings maybe. And yeah, I'll just keep this one aside, go and wash my hands, and then I'll come back and show you guys the second idea. So I have my second mask here, and for this I am taking a red ribbon. You can also take a green one or any ribbon of your choice. And what I'll do is, first things first, I'll snip off this edge here. Then next I am going to grab my glue. Make sure you're using a strong glue, and I'll run this in through the center of the mask horizontally like so. So I'll quickly paste this. So I have applied the glue in the center here, and I'll just paste the ribbon like so. And then just flip this over and add glue on this side as well, and pasting this here as well. And I'll snip off the excess. Now what I will do is I'll add another strip of ribbon here on this side. You can add it on any of the sides. So just adding a straight line of glue here. This particular mask is so fun to make for the kids especially. I am sure they'll love it. And now I am just going with my ribbon here and snip off the excess. Now I am grabbing this ready-made bow here, and I'll place it here, and it will look like a gift packaging. If you do not have a ready-made bow, or you can obviously make one of your own, and you can use colors like green, golden, white and other colors. I just went with an all red look, and I'll just attach it like so, and I'll keep this aside to dry. So this is the very first mask that we did. I added the stems of the trees, and this is the ready one. And for the second, this is the second one, which is complete and dry. You can obviously add some bling or something like that here and there if you want to, but I left it like this only. And I'll attach the pictures of these masks in my thumbnail, I guess. Yeah, I'll attach the pictures there. So this was pretty much it for today. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also if you have not yet checked my day 1 video and not yet participated in the giveaway, I would recommend you guys check that out and participate in the giveaway. And now I have to go complete my assignments as I have a presentation tomorrow, and also I have to edit this video because it has to go live tomorrow as well. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and yes, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button to know about the upload for the upcoming videos as well. And yes, this was pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.